Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you 4 of the best antiviruses for Windows 11. Many people think that Windows 11 is safe to use without any antivirus, but actually this is just an assumption because it comes with a Windows Defender built in, so people think that it can work. But it lacks advanced tools to stop today's evolving cyber threats. That's why having a proper antivirus is still a must. So I'm going to start with the first one, which is Total AV. This one doesn't include a built-in firewall, but in most every other area it performs very well. During independent testing, Total AV caught the majority of malware threats while keeping CPU usage relatively low. What I like its balance of real-time protection, safe browsing with a VPN and a web shield extension that blocks malicious websites before you even click. It also has a password manager to keep your sensitive data secure. This app's design is clean and the features are explained simply so both beginners and advanced users can use it without confusion. Add in frequent discounts and Total AV is one of the most affordable premium options for Windows 11. The next antivirus is Norton. A long leader in cybersecurity, Norton consistently scores very high in malware detection and its scans are fast and light on system resources. Where it really shines in is its all-in-one security bundle. Norton includes VPN, password manager, dark web monitoring, cloud backup, parental controls, and more. The only drawback is that it can feel overwhelming for beginners because of how many features there are. If you want complete digital protection in one package, though Norton is hard to beat. The next one is the Byte Defender. It's slightly slower in full scans but makes up for it with excellent threat detection and very strong real-time protection. Some standout features include the SafePay browser for secure online banking, anti-tracker extensions, and even an AI-powered scam detection tool that adapts to new online scams. There's always a VPN available as an add-on if you need it. Bitdefender strikes a nice balance between strong protection and user-friendly design. And the final we have Malwarebytes. If you want something very straightforward and easy to use, this is a great option. Malwarebytes is well known for its ability to remove through malware quickly. In testing, it detected threats extremely fast, sometimes in just a minute. It doesn't have as many extras as Norton or Bitdefender, but it does include a handy browser guard extension that blocks ad trackers and malicious sites. Plus, its premium plans include VPN support for extra privacy. It's not the most feature rich, but it's excellent if you want simplicity and speed. So, if we think that Windows 11 is safe without antivirus, the answer is no. Windows Defender alone isn't enough. Each of these antiviruses provide stronger protection, better features, and greater peace of mind. If you want something simple and affordable, I recommend Total AV. If you want the most complete package, then Norton is the way to go. Bitdefender is a great middle ground with innovative features, while Malwarebytes is perfect if you prefer a clean, no-frill approach. But at the end of the day, the best antivirus is the one that fits your lifestyle and budget. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and thank you so much for watching the video.